So I'm at my cousin's house. We are celebrating her 1-year wedding anniversary, and to like sort of like how they're celebrating it is they want to redo the Gaya Holut, so that's why these flowers are up. And everyone's getting ready right now. And she made
Oh my god.
this fried coconut thing just for me, and it's mad good.
It's not for you. You're just jealous.
This super. The brightness is so high.
Stop trying to make yourself feel better, man. While you're not special. Yeah.
This is super delicious coconut thing, and she made it just for me. Cause she knows this. Cause she knows this is my favorite. Asana move. I can't see Prana. So everyone just did total massacre. Here. Lord. Fine, put some on me too. Okay. The same time as Asana.
Yeah, copy action.
Why are you putting my beard?
Oh, nice facial. Beard is with the designer. That's why. You know I'm doing it. So. Yeah, that's not. Be a good population.
Yeah, bring a Bobby. Well, there you go. Okay.
Thing.
A
little bit.
Little दिया जाबे ना সব জায়গা দেয়
Prana.
এই তো ভালো খাও
Okay, no more. छोटा दिसे दो. Ew. Get out of here. 500, put it on me.
I put it right here. She put it right there. Let me put it. Hey, the দাড়ির মধ্যে দাও এটা একটু তারপর দেখ দেবদাস দেখা যাচ্ছে
Side it, he looks like Lincoln.
I know.
They're all excited about it. They're all excited about a cake.
This is the best cake Napoleon.
दिल मेरा सुनने को बेकरार है कहो ना प्यार है कहो ना प्यार है कहो ना प्यार है कहो
You just stole that piece off the damn cake.
Okay, just give me the knife. Nothing else.
This is a barrage.
Go, go. Is that a specker? A specker? Then?
Holding down a child and farting all over him. The heart of a child makes sense.
I believe Ashik is the killer.
defense.
Ashik is the killer.
Can't give my defense.
Ashik is the
Okay,
killer.
so Ashik, he gets his defense.
Okay, look.
In Mafia.
Next round, if I die, right?
So I'm in my cousin's new house. Yes, it is all broken up and nasty and crusty. But this is their new house. And so they obviously got it for a lot cheaper because it's like in such bad condition, but now they are paying to get it fixed up. It's pretty spacious, pretty nice. I like it. These people went in. Holy. I love that reindeer in the center on top of the house. Happy New Year. So we're at this New Year's party. Yeah, don't lick me! Don't lick me! Stay away from him! And there's this dog here. I'm the dog. Ah! Ew! It just licked your bottle and it's licking you. Okay, get the dog away, Adrian. Get the dog away! At Bryant Park, it's super cold. Look at the Christmas tree. Looks so pretty. People ice skating. It's so cold. I don't know how everyone is ice skating here. Like, I'm freezing. Whew. The fountain has frozen over. The Bryant Park fountain. It looks so cool. Looks like a nice picture. The confetti from New Year's Eve. We were supposed to go to watch the ball drop last night, but it was so cold, so we ended up going to that party instead. And it was pretty nice. Having some nice warm hot chocolate. Walking in the sun because it's like amazing and nice and toasty. Legit, during the summer I avoid the sun at all costs. Like, I hate the sun during the summer, but during the winter I love everyone loves the sun. Woo! My sister made this yogurt drink for me. It's so disgusting. It's like salty AF. And I don't like yogurt alone like this in general. I'm dying. Oh. We were just walking by this really cool like light setup. I think this is Midtown, right? We're in Midtown? It's really cool. What's the shop? So we're having dinner at this vegetarian place called Time. It's mad good.
I love falafel.
I love falafel too. I used to hate it, but this damn, I cursed.
You can't curse in your
No,
vlogs?
I'm not
Why?
allowed to curse on YouTube anymore. So dumb. But Vishali made me get into falafel, so now I'm super excited. So Vishali brought me to this cafe called Spread House Cafe. It's pretty cool. Ooh. Look at all these lights. So chill. This place is mad cute. I'm sitting in an egg chair. I love egg chairs. There's Vishali. There's my tea and cookie. Got a hibiscus tea and a chocolate chip cookie. Just look at it. So chill. I love the music. It's called Spread House Cafe. Guys, it's so freaking cold. I'm going home now. But I just walked past $10 that I found it on the floor. I'm taking it. Like, I just put it right in my pocket. Woo! $10 richer. We're in Wagamama. This Japanese place. Looks pretty lit. So I got the clean green drink, which is kiwi, avocado, and apple. It's pretty good, but you can taste the clean in it. My friend got the tropical, which is mango, apple, and orange. And that tastes so good. Like, that tastes really good. I hate being clean green. I got grilled duck donburi. I'm gonna pop my eggs. So on the train, as I was waiting in these heavy delays, I was thinking about starting a Pokemon like YouTube channel too, you know, like another side channel, because I like love Pokemon. So I don't know, like I have been collecting Pokemon cards for the past year and a half now. So yeah, I just like reveal the Pokemon cards I get on the channel and show them to you guys, and like I've been seeing a lot of other channels doing it, and so it's just like, you know, why not on the side along with this channel. So if I decide to do it, I will link the channel in the description below, and instead of uploading the Ho-Oh GX box reveal here, I will be doing it like on that channel instead of in this vlog. So I'm gonna be thinking about it. I'll sit on it, I'll discuss with my friends, see what they say. But yeah, I'm gonna get home, I have some cleaning to do, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. My sleep schedule is so messed up. It's 3:50 a.m. I'm still awake. I'm having chicken sandwiches because I'm starving. This is why my acne will never go away, because I sleep so little, so late, like it's so bad. So he just met Froki. Where's you like the frog?
Yes.
Guys, the snow is so freaking real. This is called Storm Grayson or whatever. Winter Storm Grayson, look at this. Like, oh my goodness. That's like crazy. Like, I don't know, can you see that depth over there? That's like, the guy just went by with the machine, so I can see it. Oh my god, I'm gonna like go out with my family in a bit because they want to play a snowball fight, because like it's not a blizzard anymore, it's like a little flurry right now. So we're just gonna have some fun in this, but that's like a solid 15 inches of snow. Holy crap, I'm so excited now to play in this because I love snow. So I don't really have a hat like that, so I had to wear my Santa hat again. But the snow is so deep and the sun is setting, and I wanted to vlog before it gets dark because it will be harder to vlog then. Let me just show you guys what the freaking situation is here. Oh my god. Like, look at how deep this is. I'm like, someone clean this up. Okay, here. This is a good measure. I'm like a knee deep in. That's how much snow fell. An entire knee. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, there's like no visibility. None of us have gloves, so I'm trying to go to the store to buy some gloves. But it's so windy. Oh, my phone's getting wet. Ugh. This is so bad. Oh my god, snow's getting all inside my damn boots. Oh, freedom. Throw myself into this. It's like a blanket right here. I'm gonna throw myself. Ready, set, go. Oh, this feels good. It's comfy. How do people hate snow? Like, I understand it's a lot of extra work, but it's like beautiful and fun. And you can sleep in it. Well, it's cold. Yeah. One major reason why people hate snow is because it goes from that beautiful white blanket to this garbage, muddy, ugly brown, nasty, doo-doo colored snow that's like nasty to step on. Yuck. It's just symbolic of how man ruins nature. You know, we like whatever we touch, we destroy, we kill, we make ugly, because we're terrible. Humankind is terrible. Mankind. Dang it. The dollar store is closed, but Dunkin' Donuts is open. Should I get something from Dunkin' Donuts? He's crying to come outside with this. It's cold. No? Okay. Grandma, wear your shoes. This out, y'all. 5 people worked hard on it, and we cleared it up. Cleared up all the snow. Oh no! Happy stop! No! Come. Yeah, it's snow on your gloves. It's okay. What's she doing? You didn't sink in the snow. You didn't sink in the snow. You can't make a snow angel like that. Here, there you go. I'll be Santa Claus for you. What do you want for Christmas? What do you want?
Ball.
Ball? Okay. I'll get you a ball. Just finished mopping and cleaning the basement. Listen to new rules.
He could still be mafia. He could kill Bobby, so he could use it as a defense that, oh, I'm not mafia because
You can't comprehend God's embrace. till you felt the Father's grace. God's eternal purpose was revealed in it.
Do you guys see that? Every single breath I take, I'm talking. It's like it's so cold. That's how cold it is. And I'm having pizza for brunch. It's 10:40 and I'm having pizza. I just got out of a packed as F B train. Like there was no space to like even breathe in there. Holy crap. I'm about to go to sleep. But before I go to sleep, like I was laying down this entire time and I was like, oh, I should like end the vlog. But yeah, I just did nothing today. I went to work, came home, and I was just so tired. And now I'm gonna, like I just ate and chilled with my nephew and stuff. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh my god, I'm so tired, holy crap. I have class in the morning, my IT class. So yeah, good night people. Yesterday's snow day was lit. Yeah, I think I have clips from there. Yeah, I do have clips. Okay, yeah, okay, good night. It's 2 a.m. I'm dying. Okay, bye. Oh wait, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks, fam. I need a name. Like, all these people have names. Like, they call their audience, like, you know, like Mr. K called her audience like creative weirdos, and what's his face? FouseyTube, Yusuf, whatever, he refers to his audience as like family. Everyone refers to the audience as something, so like I want to refer to my audience as something. Like, you guys are my family too, but like I want to have a cool name for you guys too. Okay, I will sleep on this. Okay, good night for real people. I'm dead. Please like, share, subscribe. Love y'all.